Peter here from Comfort Zone. You want to know why cellulose fibre insulation doesn't work? Well, that's cellulose fibre insulation there on the joists there, and if we pan across, that was another guy did that part of the job, and this is what he did in the other end of the roof. Nothing at all. So you know, he only did 1/3 of the insulation, probably charged 1/3 of the price, and got zero results for the customer, because 1% gaps reduces your efficiency by 30%, and 5% gaps reduces your efficiency by 70%. Well, there's some pretty big gaps, and it's literally what it is he couldn't crawl in between those joists there to get through from the other bay, and too lazy to lift the sheets. So we got the middle part of the roof done, and it was done a bit average too, but none of the ends were done at all. So anyway, we'll fix this up, and the customer will get the result they paid for.